Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Yeah, you hear that song there?
Yeah, boy. Boy, this anthem in a Jamaican dance.
Anthem.
I remember times, my love, when we really had it all. You were always there to make me smile, help me when I fall. Ooh, I can't believe you're leaving me when there's so much more to say.
Yeah, let you go.
I can't let you go. Ooh, every time I look at you, I still can feel the glow. Let it be, let it grow. Love me, please. Just a little bit longer.
Wait there.
All right, hold on.
Volume check. You hear that properly?
No, we don't hear, but some people did that say the echo. Some of them know. You have reverb on your thing over there?
Reverb? No, I don't have no reverb on that. No, hold on.
Yeah. No, hold on. You have reverb on it?
I have to check, because...
Yeah, because them, some people... Mark, you
No,
know.
man, be a one against the world over here, so.
No, Mark, you know, the person who has a reverb is somebody who work in an audio, you know, so in me. See, the other people, them say, no, Craig Tan has a reverb.
Craig Tan too extra, man. Tell him if it's a reverb.
But you know, Craig Tan has sound him work with, you know, so he might have a little
That's why I
sensitive.
don't love, listen, I don't love dealing with the professional them too much, because them too perfect, brother.
Yeah.
Big up the Craig Tan.
No, it's an echo a little bit, but it can work. What them say, echo's bad. Tracy say it bad.
He bad?
Yeah.
We are gonna figure
But
it out.
somebody say it's a slight echo, but no, people, it not for perfect, you know.
No, but if you can better, we are gonna figure it out. Maybe it's just a matter of me having a loop back on where I'm gonna turn off a loop back up here. So. Alright.
Yeah.
We'll try again.
Sure. One tree. Yeah.
Just a little bit. I remember times, my love, when we really had it all.
While I'm a ladies and boss a nice slow wine, you know.
Always there to make me smile, help me when I fall.
Ladies, give me that no rush wine there.
Ooh, I can't believe you're leaving me when there's so much more to say.
Mister, give me that no
I
rush
can't
wine
let
there.
you go. Ooh, every time I look at you, I still can feel.
You know, in a no hurry.
Let it be, let it grow.
Give me the wine, girl. Give me the wine now.
Love me, please. Oh, just a little bit longer. Together we can make it. Our love is much too young to break it. Love me, please. Oh, just a little bit harder.
Run through the grass.
Together we can make it.
Ragabash.
Our love is much too young to break it.
Lighter. When my ladies them, when my TamFam ladies them, one of them come in, man. Evoking belonging, I see you. Evoking belonging, I see you.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, man. We'll soon come to the 4 line later again.
Honey, you are my shining star. Don't you go away. Oh, baby, wanna be right here where you are till my dying day.
Cris Cross in this rally dance on a Philly, I big you up there. Your place that in a Philly.
Yeah, we got to Philly, I'm my place.
Trying to find a love like yours and mine. Girl, don't you realize how you hypnotize? Make me love you more each time.
People, the young about them song and I chat about old people song. What them know about?
Honey, I'll never leave you lonely.
Ragabash, September 20th.
Give my love to you only.
Mazura.
To you
Milo, big up yourself. Look at boy, my ever cuss me a bad word over here though. My ever cuss me a bad word over here though. My ever cuss me a bad word over here. Watch it.
Remember Love It Up Thursday?
When we are turn over Jamaica with the two of them down.
That's the style.
Watch it.
I don't mind when you say
That you
that you're going away.
just don't wanna be lonely. Wombat.
And I don't care if we share only moments a day.
I just don't wanna be horny.
Watch out now, no?
I want to dedicate this song to all the lovers tonight.
Then after this, you know, but why you bring it up now? Because right you know, in the 70s, 80s, you know.
Someone to love.
After this, we are going 90s.
90s are
Cold outside.
We are going 90s after this. Some Tony, Braxton, some of them sitting there. I went, Queen Nash, you don't know them song, yeah?
No.
I lie you tell Queen Nash, you don't know them tune,
If y'all
yeah?
don't mind, I'd like to talk about this woman of mine. She's always complaining about me never being at home. But when I'm there, I'm broke.
People just want to remind you, DJ Chris Cross
Tell
on
me
the
about the
plane,
things my
Ragabash.
girlfriend got, what she ain't got.
If you're the one, get up for me now.
But girl, I can't be in two places at one time. If you think you're lonely now, wait until tonight.
Girl, bomba. When woman
yeah,
are press
right.
fire with them junior, eh?
You know one thing though, when we grew up at Jamaica, every little country wedding where them keep,
Yeah.
that song I used to just get to people because they used to play it too much.
Which
But I
one?
wanna hear a song.
Which
watch
one?
it.
Which one? Stop. You know some well, you know.
Oh, you know?
People make cross tell you. When we are work song, you know, because you know our thing is you talk up the things them, right? And when we are work song, man, this was my favorite song for talk up a bag of something, you know, man. You know,
Crocus
some
bag
of the
of
probably hear the
scandal.
beginning. A crocus bag of thing because, hey, you know, Jamaican woman them see them love walk out and be like, yes! Dirty Sandra, you can't broke up me and Mikey. You stay bad, Sandra. You go on, your face look like pop down slippers and Ray, Sandra, me and Mikey for life.
Oh.
And you see, you just want to get them hype up and whatever and thing. But you see that song, yeah? If you two people there and people did a fight against him or somebody did a try take with that one, man, but you always get a better reaction if you aim it at the woman them and say, yo, them did want to take away your man and all these things and whatever and re are. His mother never like you and I try stop it or whatever. You just say something man we touch about the man and people walk out. So right now, I just want to big up all of the ladies them out there who you know you have your good man and him now left you. All of the ladies them out there, you know, you're not under no man stress, right? You know, and think, because your man want up your body and think, at night time, him roll over. All of the ladies and think, when you snore and you no matter to your man because him love you so much, him don't even notice the snore and all them something, they big up on yourself right now, the next tune your phone. All of the ladies them out there now, with the in-law them did a fight against una and never want you and the man stay together and attack all kind of things about you, will never go so and all them something and see the you and the man still there. All of the ladies them out there when some woman never see the man when you never have him, but as you get him and cleaning him and boy start blowing and look good out there. At that time, them man running and attack up one bag of something. All of who have a good man, I don't know to go through it because no
That
people
is
that
it,
fight
sir.
against you. Send on the tune class. Oh. Turn it up, turn up the speed a little bit too. Don't give it a little bit for the speed.
I saw love.
People when this playing a dance hall in a Jamaica, you know.
Touched me.
I don't know, man.
I still the one I
Alright, me alone.
Me nah hear no echo, man.
yeah.
Turn up the tune.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
We might
might
have-
took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make
look
it.
at now.
But just look at us holding on.
Ladies, bust a nice wine in the seat there.
We still together.
If you sit down right, I know, bust a dainty wine.
We're strong.
Wine up yourself nice and easy. Here we go.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen.
Look what would I miss.
Look at what we would be missing. They said
I talk up things in the
So,
they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on.
that's why Mac D pull back his chair and bust the wine. All of my TamFam ladies, I know. The wine, they never tell them for wine, you know. Them say pull it up down. Tambourine. We know you can't wine, but jiggy up yourself and do what you can do here.
Yeah, just a one pull up, brother.
Nah, man, I think they know them tune have to pull up and I want to tell you. And people, that's why I know, say, you know, Ragabash now go now, man. Make sure say you get your tickets.
You're still the one I love.
September 20th, DJ Cris, Glamour Wayne, DJ Roy, Ragashanti, Jimmy Q.
Look how far we've come, my baby.
Turn it up.
We might
Hey, Red Raga, you can control the sound when you come over there or not?
we get there someday. They said
No, really.
Where I go to them.
they'll never make it.
No, me, I wonder if you can control the sound when I send to you. You can turn it down when you talk and stuff.
No, because me not think so.
Alright,
well,
I'm
well,
going out with you. That first day, man.
No.
You're still the one I run.
Alright, we just navigate with that. You
The
know?
one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Everyone falls.
Oh, man. Listen to me, I know. Run it, class. Run it.
Sometimes it's wrong, and sometimes it's right. For every win, someone must fail. But there comes a point
Pick up the 80s and the 90s, baby, now. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Say, shoot, 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 baby. Shoot it. All you gotta do is say, shoot, baby.
Alright, Raga, we're going to play one of my favorite songs.
Yeah.
Tell me if I'm bad song. You ready?
No, me tell you. And if I'm a bad song, me I tell you something about.
Tell me if I'm bad song.
It's amazing how you knock me off my feet. Every time you come around.
Muddy, said it again.
Yeah.
Raga, you're supposed to be dramatic when you hear the artist and wink wink.
Don't say a word. Don't say. People don't hear nothing yet, you know. A Ragabash, you know, September 20th, you know, them vibes, you know. Listen to me, man.
It's amazing how you knock me off my feet. Every time you come around me, I get weak. Oh, yeah.
Want to say big respect to the Plainville nurses, all the nurses in the Plainville Hospital. Big up yourself, big up on yourself in the Plainville Hospital. Nurse, match
Kiss
on
my
the
lips and then
crew.
you take my breath away.
Ladies,
So I wanna know what turns you on. Yeah, I like to know so I can be
proper sort out song them here, you know. Proper sort out song them here, you know. You know, in a no rush. Them no rush song here, you see me? Turn it up, Cris.
Girl, you never understood what you were worth. No. And he never took the time to make it work. Deserve more love.
Oh, yeah, delicious.
Baby, I'm the kind of man who shows concern.
Oh, you mean delicious?
Yes,
we love
I
to
do.
do it slow, you know.
Any way that I can please you, let me learn. So I wanna know what turns you on. I wanna know so I can be yours and more. I like to know what makes you cry. So
What you know? What you know when DJ Chris Cross I select? What you know, people? What you know? When I can't cry, Cris. When I can't cry, Cris and ball for mercy. If you know, run tune again, Cris. Yeah. All my TamFam ladies, let me hear you sing. Sing out now, man.
Lady, babe, I'm thinking how good it was when you were here. And your hands around.
Cris, dry down a little bit, ladies. Just dry down a little bit, ladies. As you listen to the song right now, I want you to use your right hand and just pat your inner thigh. I say use your right hand and pat your inner thigh. The inside of your thigh. Just pat it nice and easy. Yeah. Me love the instruction. Turn up into Cris.
This girl them say bedroom. Hola.
No, sir. Watch out.
I'm just a dancer. I'm looking for a partner, someone who knows how to ride without being falling off. Gotta be compatible.
September 20th, Ragabash. September 20th, Ragabash. Get there.
I promise that you wanna get on.
Big respect to all of the women them who know how to ride it. The pony them, you know. Big up all of the pony them, don't.
The things I would do to you.
Ragabash, September 20th, DJ Cris. Watch ya now, hear ya now, hear ya now.
Take a look into my eyes.
Somebody cuss a bad word. Cuss a bad word. Post it in the chat. Post a bad word in the chat. Post a bad word in the chat. Post a bad word in the chat.
Take you home after the first night. With all the things that's associated with doing right. Cause tonight I wanna hear you say it. Your G-spot, baby. I wanna hear you moan and groan with delight. Oh yeah, let me hear you say it. When I hit your G-spot, baby, I wanna hear you moan and groan tonight. Oh yeah. Sex with you is like when I wake up in the morning, smell the good old breakfast mama used to make. Sex with you is like the feeling that you get.
Oh, people, you know, it's a Ragashanti, love the loving of his song.
Sex with you is like I made the last shot and everybody's screaming my name. Sex with you is like my pocket full of dough and I ain't worried about a damn thing. When I think about the sex, nothing better comes to mind. I wanna sex you all the damn time. Thinking about the sex, it's got me wanting you to come through and do sex like we always do. Yeah.
Whatever, don't you dare slow down. Go longer, you can last more rounds. Push harder, you're almost there now.
And it's now the sound of the man, DJ Cris. Big selector, Ragabash, September 20th, Amazon, Queens. Alright, but bounce slow, Cross, bounce slow. Alright, so Cross, me want you bring in the next tune. The next tune, me I charge you for say the next tune you bring in. The ladies, they must lose their mind, right? The next tune when you bring in, the woman, I must say the chat get busy, right? So, well, the next tune Cross bring in, ladies, if the tune shot, me want to say be a fire sign. Me want to say be a fire emoji in the chat. Right? But me see chat Cross, let me see how good. And people, hold on, big and serious, you know. I just want you to know in September 20th, my birthday party, Ragabash, and you don't know, some little brother DJ Cris Cross I play there. The man is a living legend in my young years, you understand what I say? And you don't know it's a Glamourine there too. You don't know DJ right there and a whole was other selector, Echo Vibe Sound, Jimmy Q and thing, a big something. Amazura, Queens, Ragabash, September 20th. If you want your tickets, you can get your tickets them directly from me. Tickets available right now up in the Bronx, People's Choice Furniture, Yep and Boston Road, Rockatown, out of 218 and White Plains, up in the Bronx. Tickets available at VP Records on Jamaica Avenue in Queens. Tickets available at Hillside Restaurant, in Queens. Genesis Restaurant, may I say it on Hillside. Genesis Restaurant on Hillside. Tickets are in Mount Vernon at Just Jerk Restaurant. Tickets are available at Yard Style Restaurant on 105 and Flatlands in Brooklyn. Tickets available at Topaz Restaurant in Brooklyn and thing. And if you want a ticket directly from me, you can get ticket from me and you can buy tickets at eventbrite.com. Eventbrite.com. Just put in Ragabash and put in New York and thing and lock your ticket. Lock the date. Be there. Good music. Nice vibes. Be a sickness, Ragabash, September 20th, Amazura, Queens, New York. Let me see, crack. Let me see if I can bring in a tune right now. We're mad the girl. Let me see if you're good.
Music still playing.
We know what you gonna be. Me say make we keep up wanna dance. Call it sit down for me Sunday. On spear can't lock the one you have. You don't need no permit for broke way.
Yes, young man, over mix music.
She said, really love for you. Me rather you just come and take it from me. $1 million question is, why you there? You know what if we not the same country? Bring it to the owner. No. You did say I'm my own, so go. Bring it to the owner. No. Bring it to the the owner now. Bring it to the owner. No. Stop everything I do, go take a shower and bring it to the owner. No.
Yeah, hide and do it.
Bring it to the
Hide
owner
and bring it.
now.
Hide and bring it.
Kill your body, feel like it's never been touched before. Want to it slow until it explodes.
What a selector, man.
I will massage shift you on you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your man to it secure. Detour. Bring it to the owner.
What's the big respect to Reggae Drake? Reggae Drake, Judy Brown, large up, CDS,
No.
Pass.
Bring it to the owner now.
Licious, bring up yourself.
Let me take you on a love tour tonight.
Mama.
Let us tear up the stair floor
Sure.
tonight.
Licious, big up yourself. Lisa, large up.
I wanna give it to you
Tasha.
hardcore.
Watch out now. Hold up, Mama.
Let me love you with my heels on, yeah. Introduce me to your ding dong. I've been waiting for you so long. Take me to the swing song, make love to a slow song. I got a lot of things to show you, yeah. I'm gonna love you like I owe you. Let me put this body on you. You take control, you make love step
Yo,
in
pull up at you there, pull
you.
up at you there, pull up at you there, pull up at you. Pull up at you there, pull up at you there. You know, say that mama ya not dead. That mama say ya not dead, you know. And a proper dugu song to, you know. Run it again.
Come and meet me at my front door.
Minister Marion, all no disrespect. We understand your
Let me
transition.
take you on a love.
Why that job the tiger this, sir?
No. What about we just want some big respect to Minister Marion, all and thing and everything. Everything is everything in the ladies. So big up yourself, you know. You know, so me did take you on one time. You did step out pan Twinkle and Shensi and Spice and thing, you know. It's a principle, but you don't know your legacy, you know, and what you do for dance, and you know, your real things lock and seal, you know, mama know that, you know, so that can't change, you know. Nobody can go around that, you know. And this was...
Lady Sag, you one of the most memorable out of them.
Yeah, when we did that the outside show, that probably was one of the best, probably the best outside I think when Mama did turn it up and thing.
You have Muma in the house, Elephant Man, Lexus. What is it?
Matarandi did it? No, Matarandi did it. Pampute did it?
Pam never did it.
No, Pam did it. No, man, but may I tell you that outside.
Elephant and Lexus.
Yeah, I remember all the one when I keep the show, I have she and we keep her outside, you know, she, Aisha and Lisa. And Lisa Hype and thing that one that did go and go. So, Mama, big up yourself, you know. And boy, Mama, may I tell you, you know, Minister Marion, all maximum respect, but you see that song where you left par away. One of them songs there, you know, Mama. We are juggling, you know, me I tell you, you know, Mama. Run it again, man, see?
Come and meet me at my front door
Ragabash.
tonight.
September 20th. Saturday, September 20th, Amazura. Get there.
Tonight. Let us tear up the stair floor tonight. I wanna give it to you hardcore tonight.
Let's go.
Let me love you with my heels on, yeah. Introduce me to your ding dong. I've been waiting for you so long. Take me to the swing song, make love to a slow song. I got a lot of things to show you, yeah. I'm gonna love you like I owe you. Let me put this body on you. You take control, you make love step into you. I got my arms open so wide. I wanna wrap you deep inside. Boy, you know I got that pride. But let me tell you this, me I'm so bright. I can see you need action. Wait a minute, let me turn up my face on. You know you got a wild one. And the body where me have it full of ocean. So let me love you with my heels on, yeah. Introduce
So
me.
weird. Raga, the next one, I don't know if you know it. Because a long time you're out of the music game. So,
Well, out in the sense like some of them later thing I mean and really.
yeah. As am I. Can't be that.
Yeah.
But that one and the girl, them go crazy for too, alright?
I go hear it.
Javage.
You know, say out
Such you feel like it went tired.
No, man, I know this, man. I want to tell you. I want to see him. I like it, man. But the reason why I play it is notes are something me that I like, though. You know, no, man, I know this, man. I know. Run
Right
it
along
again.
the line, you know.
All right, yeah, I know. I just want to say big respect to my England crew, you know, my England friend, them, you know. Gayan, a.k.a. Red Ras, big up yourself. Janet Benbow, big up yourself, you know. You're the only person, you're the one of the, when you are Red Ras, you know. When I go out yard, I make you cook and feed me and whatever. I know I'm safe and secure. Janet Benbow, big up yourself. No, so you're my friend, I'm a rate you like that. Red Ras, I rate you like that. Shabba, big up yourself. You get Craig Tan large up. I would just want to say big respect to Ecstasy. Same way. Nah, forget her. You understand? Ecstasy Queen. SIP. Your ratings lock and seal up and thing. Nah change, nah switch. No dear. In the meantime, Sanita. Original Empire member.
Yeah, what? Ladies, you don't can go and warm up on a bob. We know say on a top jar. We know what happens in there.
Well, him say Bob. Battery operated boyfriend Bob, but we know say the Bob is your Rose. A Rose around the place right now, you know. So no, you talk about go and warm up. Some of them could all start use it already. In fact, ladies, when I tell you right just now in the privacy of your own space as this song is playing, this is what I want you to do. Touch yourselves. Mm-hmm. Touch yourselves. Run through.
So wild boy. You're a nasty man.
From long time. Mom says she there at work. She can't touch herself at work. All right, here we go and squeeze up your leg them together. Squeeze up your leg them together. Like squeeze, do that squeeze something there.
You have the remote control drive them too, yes.
Like that, though. Here we go.
Such you feel like it went tired. That the boring thing was some excitement in my baby man book. When the argument's pointless, you know what she have it. Gone party, a friend white men's come home, jump a clear night. Well, she tell me that she want back it up. Turning up, she done with the boy crosses it up. Come pick it up, she comes with it. Can't bother with the worry.
Big up the girl them too where you go on with that bag of things and leave.
And what? Not even what?
Not even It was like Toban.
Not going there. Not going there.
Yeah, some of them are screaming.
Give them something else, Cris. Mix it up. People, it's all about Ragabash, you know. September 20th, Saturday, September 20th. Amazura. DJ Cris Cross, Glamour Win.
Such you feel like it went tired. That the boring thing was some excitement in my baby man book. When the argument's pointless, you know what she have it. Gone party, a friend white men's come home, jump a clear night. Well, she tell me that she want back it up. Turning up, she done with the boy crosses it up. Come pick it up, she comes with it. Can't bother with the worry, not talking figures. One more put up on a pull back her hair, make she scream, scream, scream. She said, baby, please. Just want some love, no, but don't fall in love, no. Rose broke when we up. She a scream, oh, she a make she scream. Whoa, baby, baby.
Come here, son.
sit down with us, bend down with us, bend down with us, sit down with us. I've been waiting. Nobody nothing know, say me and you a touch. Nobody nothing know, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know, say you come on.
Pull up that tune. Yo, me want to send out that tune there to all of the people, them, all of the women them who know for govern them thing. And more importantly, me want to send it out to all of the man them who not take hype and go run off them mouth when them not for run them mouth. And know say if a woman give you the honor to squeeze your piece quietly, it is your duty to protect her right down to the nitty gritty.
I want to get the premium treatment.
Yes, man. So when anybody ask you and things, say you get it and thing, you never get it. When people are run up their mouth, you hold it because you know say you protect goods and you look out for yourself too, because by doing that, you know, you will get it again.
Yeah, because sometimes them boss your pun intended.
Nah, man. We have to big up a James Cris sort out, and him sort out them nice, you know. Yeah, run that tune and nobody not for know nothing, man. You hold your mouth, me hold my mouth and thing, I will go down. Yeah, big up all of the James Cris sort out them out there, yeah.
Baby,
I'm run a business.
sit down with us, bend down with us, bend down with us, sit down with us. I've been waiting. Nobody nothing know, say me and you a touch. Nobody nothing know, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know, say you come over me yard. Baby, you know me love your body. Nobody nothing know, say me and you a touch. Nobody nothing know, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know, say you come over me yard. Baby, you know me love your body.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? DJ Cris Cross.
No for life, damage it for spite, not the cop tie.
Put it on the left, can you take it on the right?
Them are right, them are the body they try.
What appetite, if you get a bite.
Some man a fi go see me and him a fi go fight. Call me up to wine pan like this. Cartel spin me like a satellite dish.
Deal with your like the crushing iris. Spice, I never like this.
You are my mister,
You are my miss.
kill me with it.
Kill me with the arsonist. And when you are whisper something like this,
I can't stop hearing of you.
hey, only a great maybe rock your back. When you're coming around in shot.
Me we quit 2 times and pop you.
When you're coming around in shot. Me will make you run out of me. Sing half a frack. When you're coming around in shot.
I can live a car, now me to give your heart attack.
When you're coming around in shot. Spice and you me love. You know if you do your stuff. Plus it squeeze like a handcuff.
Cartel and you me love, see them me talk for your and proof till me belly cramp up. Me nah let you go, so don't let me down. My 2 phone a ring on a answer none. Call me up to wine pan like this. Cartel spin me like a satellite dish.
Deal with your like the crushing iris. Spice, I never plan. And me first take where your innocence. First night at the ramping shop. You ball out from the love you feel as the ramping started.
DJ Cris Cross.
You still contain your innocence.
Original partnership with Ragashanti.
You still
Ragabash September 20th. Amazon Queens.
Remember the first touch. Remember the first time you have a touch. You love me so much, it broke and it stuck. But still first love of the deepest cut. Remember the first time the house where we act.
done professional. Me give you the good love already. You want it back. You hold me hard every day. You're there at the yard, rubbing shop. True, you can't forget the man will take away. Me take for your versatility. Me take for your versatility. Me take for your versatility.
Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now.
You got the body, girl. See the bike, girl. You got the body, girl. Benz character, me know say you got the girl. You have the big bike, fast chatting matchy, girl. Me love it like that when you get on the bike. Me love it like that when you get on the bike. You really like so and the middle like that. You really like so and the middle like that. And me love it like that when you get on the bike. Me love it like that when you get on the bike. You really like so and the middle like that. You really like so and the middle like that.
Watch out.
You want to grab a fix? Call me. You want to get your kicks? Call me. You want the cheese sticks? Call me. Me have the remix? Call me. From the other day, like I play some boy I play. Me hear the girls calling, hear the girls calling, hear the girls crying out. She said
I wanna do with the wicked and slang. I need a 1, 2, 3, how a man. I wanna do it whole time until the fan. I got that in hand, but it's biz like a man. I wanna do with the wicked and slang. I need a 1, 2, 3, how a man. I wanna do
Hold on, I'm gonna go to a whole era.
Watch out now.
I cannot chat a lot to live. You alone can be from a DJ code. The man will not go home. Take the man because you have to dance shit. Take a girl man and turn that you know me and this. I cannot chat a lot to live. You alone can be the body they good. The man will not go home. Take the man because you have to dance shit. Take a
When me dance to them, when me TamFam dance to them.
if I get done and down, and I run you down and you wander. Take that. She a own up the man and the man now own her and him want you. Take that. If I get done and down, and I run you down and you wander. Take that. She a own up the man and the man now want her and him want you.
If I got a
take over in a one night, then we know she's a hoe.
Life.
If she a clean up the whole of the neighborhood, then we know she's a hoe.
90s.
If she a walk and a sell from hotel to hotel, we know she's a hoe. If she a one night stand, take everybody man, no that can we don't know. She's a hoe, she's a hoe. Just hide again, cause everybody know
Watch out.
she's a hoe, she's a hoe.
Man, I get physical and yeah, your body ready. She be living in style and run out of money. Let's go. Say man, I get physical and yeah, your body ready.
Wants to make respect to Jimmy Q in the place. Jimmy Q in the place. Pick up yourself, Jimmy.
Eyes of an angel, pretty like a rose.
Splendid, she look from head down to toes. Girl, just say yes, I make me fling on the ring.
Cause every time you put the thing, the living once I go sing.
No, girl, can't make you worry.
Nobody can make you pray. No.
The way you want it, I like you, girl. That's how people want
Yeah,
it.
sing some girl full of big speed and the back it give way. I'm gonna stop at the bottom of my straight.
Ragabash.
Woman, from you know your back it is strong.
September 20th. Saturday, September 20th, Amazura. Tony,
Woman, from you know your name I call. I can't bounce you like a boy.
And sing. So when wifey come out, them push to the bone. Them no worry about man, cause them off in them out. Me a take come out, and I want like she a kiss me. Like she in like a she keep rocker. Wifey a winner, big sprinter stay up. You the man request me, can't take your lover. It a get loving, around the kitchen. Wife on me muchi, take the plane and go for him. Me a thing already, tell everybody. She a get the love, but you get the money. Wife expensive, everything you have it. Don't worry about yourself, cause everything will live.
you never catch a girl yard. So how she come a chat and a go like say she a put food in your pot. I'm not chat a girl fi chat, tell her fi come touch and make it. Girl with the coffee and mash the thermos. And the over the to double like a crocodile. Put your hand in the ear and don't for me be a child. 1 penny to a penny, oh what a style. Do you have your rodeo and it's girl a go away. Now I put a post dish off you walk a couple miles. I put back them to find the bug and that time. I don't joke me and me. Then you keep your thing on smile. If I'm on me, you get it in a tile. You never watch a girl yard. So she go and chat and a go like say she don't put it up on the sensor. Girl child. Alright, watch this. Come on,
so you have to get a man. Ever looking good, healthy and strong. Believe me, people I know a man says so feel looking good. Tell him how the girls them out. Come on, say bombastic so keep them round the back. Bandy leg and do it, you need them on a. We say a small at 28 that. Oh, your skin soft like a sponge comfort. Fragile like a baby, oh man on the club. Ear black and shine, get you in your back. Each and every man love how you react. 1 in a million, they never less than that. You get an any out anyway.
Ras, I have a request, you know, you have to draw my artist, you know. You have to draw my artist. Louis, you know, say Louis my artist, you know. You have to give someone the Gangali. You have to give it the Gangali.
I'm getting for a Cris. Watch it up. So girl, grab up that. Grab up the gravity where you got. Grab up that. The girl ever follow Cris, them fat. Grab up that. Grab up the gravity one of that. Grab up that. Girl ever follow Cris, them. Grab up the 10 na. Now where you got with ya. Only not just the way how it fat. When you wear G-string and it bust out that. It a peep through the hole and it not lick no shot. If you put it on a scale to the broke it down flat. Yeah, jump around you wanna farm a syrup and a Rexall Perzal.
And then vibes you got there, Ragabash. Sham Sweetness, big up yourself. Ends, massive, big up on yourself. In the real things and respect. SC, say to the world, down. TamFam, big up on yourself.
How you want to get it?
I go. Pamela lose her man. Whoa, because she a malfunction. All the girls them want them over.
Yeah, artist there.
More I hear the Gangali still, you know.
Fire Gangali?
Yeah. Pamela lose her man. Whoa, because she a malfunction.
She never know how to use 3 once make 4 and now she not got it no more.
Oi, what a young girl. But I'm a Blenda fault.
She never give the right juice so we fly up a roof and love.
Hear the mix up
Y'all
now.
have only man that care him. Take him be yourself and share him. Y'all busy bad and go air him. Then she would have seen who can
Really? Whoa!
no man can decide my destiny.
Hear Ragashanti.
Only I can decide my
Hear
own
Ragashanti.
destiny. Why?
Cause I'm all Gangali. Hear Ragashanti.
I wanna be from all chains and all bundles and rope. Free from all bars
So
and
no
all
borders and dope.
free to praise the Lord because me not praise the Pope.
So now you are wash your face in and so.
Me a believe my faith,
Just me a believe my hope.
life from my heart.
But with it me have to go.
So take it on the level as a black on the side.
Never deep, but Gangali have to flow. I was born to be free.
And the old Gangali, Gangali. No matter how Gangali.
Raga. Big up the girl them with the tie them, but it not good like we don't.
There ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. There ain't nothing like the good.
Yeah, well, them you know, the tie can't whisper in your ears.
Yeah.
The tie can't whisper in your ears and say, fling up that something there. The tie
Can't give you compliments.
Yeah, the tie
Can't ask you how was your day.
Well, the tie can't set in and I can't say, over here, some one here. The tie can't do that. The tie can't hold up one leg, your leg them and position you right there and reach somewhere where you never know. The tie can't do that. The tie can't talk dirty to you. The tie can't tell you some sweet things about you and say, yo, dumb, they good enough. I must say, sarsaparilla. And where you dashing at that something I make it good. So give me more, give me more, give me more. The tie can't do that. Run tune. Grass. Ragabash go sick, you know.
Man.
Ragabash go sick, you know. Ragabash go sick. I'm going to go on with yourself. I'm going to enjoy yourself and talk up something and play a tune and just have be nice. This all TamFam make sure so on the roll out, you know. September 28th, Saturday, September 28th, Amazura, Queens. My birthday party, Ragabash. Get on the ticket. Send on the tune.
My girl say I was better than her ex.
Who said that?
Damn,
Who said that?
What she name? Sherry? You do what she's a 4 and 5 round, right? Knockout.
Our Rose better than our ex. Yo,
Our
it's
ex.
serious.
One than her ex, wicked.
Hold on. You know, I want you draw before you Lego card. I don't want any customer. We'll take 2 cards before we do.
Nah, man, them in the day, I don't know how you 2 cards.
You know, say we want a couple berries and Sanchez and it was some other vibe there, you know.
Wait, you stream tomorrow, too, no?
I'm not scheduled to stream tomorrow. But wait, what you say?
a party night, man.
You mean tomorrow night? But what time? We have a party tomorrow night.
We can have a party, man. But tonight, when everybody finish up them festivity, but tonight, 8 hours.
Well, if I this you're there, you're there. Hold on. Yeah, hold on, Cross. You don't know who I call me right now. DJ Oxtail.
Yeah, I text you to ask you where you want me to meet you.
All right, then I ticket me a game, so don't So hold on, I'm gonna give him my address here and you just forward,
Okay,
all right?
just text it.
How far are you there? From
I'd say.
hold on, you're on here, you know, so I say nothing you know for say. Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Because I'm just I said that because I know you're a big freak and thing and whatever, and you know, the ladies them.
Well, it is. I am who I am.
Right.
I'm not afraid to say
People, this is DJ Oxtail outside the road international. Yeah.
Good evening, morning. So about 10 minutes away.
All right, then I send the address and things. See?
Okay.
Man, cool. Yeah, Cris, send on. Play a tune. So what? We want to hear some Berries and Sanchez and
My category.
yeah, man. Yes, man.
We know we left China, Virgin.
You see, when you play them tune and whatever and thing, a murder, man. Boy, Cris, me I tell you, say, everybody tell you this already, but, you know, you just have a sixth sense for this thing, you know, you just have a gift for it, you know. And say, apart from techniques and your skill and everything, you just know for select and sit, all right?
We give you thanks.
Want to start boy the medicine. You know, see, we go for the fasting and whatever. No, man, start boy. Don't worry yourself, man. When you come Ragabash, you hear medicine. You hear medicine, you got your corduroy, you got your medicine, you got your pepper seed, you got your the whole of them. You got your the whole of them. Dry ride, showtime. You got your the whole of, if walking belonging, big up yourself, you know. You got your the whole of them rhythm, the man, when you come Ragabash, see? Your Peter said, Raga, you should do this at least once a week.
You know, see, I saw 93 FM did start, you know. I want to go one party vibes did start the madness, you know. You remember?
Oh, for real?
Remember the story forward on Friday when you used to have the Jiggy Fridays.
Yeah.
Yes, you want to go light skin you with a player and say, how would I do that?
Yes.
When music that one good.
Yeah, when name they didn't make you play. Hence, they make you play. I say, who that boy, who that little boy, yeah.
Yeah. And you're a man, you know, make sure you know what going on in your studio.
Yeah, because I have to know who is who and what is what, because them time they will go over the thing certain.
And them time they hot by your foot, they well on your out of the game.
You see it, that
so
thing.
You don't know what kind of spy them could have sent.
Yeah, and then time they ain't around for war, them do.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, we are chilling and easy, I know, do. And that's how it start, though. So what you say? Them say like at least once a week party. You up to it?
Yeah, man, we have a time.
Yeah. When, you know, once you have a time, you know, it don't have to be every week, but you know. Yeah, we can make it happen, man. But, and you know, we need for, well, we already discussed it, but you and I, we need to do some more. Because even when we host show, you know, like talk show, it's fun, you know? It's like me and my little side.
In the studio, just get the co-host microphone set up and all these things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
We'll make it happen, man. We'll make it happen, man. I'll make it. T Entertainment backup say every 2 Thursday are Friday vibes that.
Schedule already.
You hear with Mac Liga and she said, come over in the evening.
Wow, son.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember those sometimes I dip on the road right through. So
yeah.
Although mobile and all these things, but and all why I can't get the music. Maybe we can keep up some foolishness.
Yeah, man. Nah, man, I wanna know you have your responsibilities, man. I want me to you.
No, but rather it is DJ season.
Well, and then Wally Power work and thing. All right, here we go. I want you to send on some berries and some song. Give it a vibes right I know, you know. I'm going to get Oxtail some tickets.
Don't even know where to start. Don't even know where to start. Talking about you. Might as well I tell you about the thoughts that I've been hiding. Unless so long I already know where to start. Don't be And if I tell you you're a hell of a kind of woman, then you do something special to my life. I see you as a queen and a lady. No ifs, no buts, no maybe. The only thing sweeter than mine is
Just one play.
keep up as the same, queen and lady. Keep the standard set. The only thing sweeter than mine is Charlie, what can you do to stop a man from trying? I said I wanna know now. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I wanna know. Yes, I wanna know now. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I wanna know. Said I wanna know now. What can you do to stop a man from trying? No one ever can understand it, the way the system planned. There's no hope, no chance, no loophole, no escape for a sufferer man. Cause every time I lift my head above water, I'm trying to save myself from drown. There's an overnight scheme all worked out, designed to keep me down. Still I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance. I've gotta work it out. Oh my, oh yeah. Baby, I've gotta call you out. I feel the need for you tonight. Oh my little apple, I'd certainly take a bite. My poor body's calling and needs attention fast. Till you're here beside me, baby. That's how long this thing's gonna last. You can come back home. Come back home. You can come back home.
Talk to you, but it's not the same as touching you. And every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you. We'll be together, and it won't be long. It won't be long, but it seems like forever. Yeah, and it's out of my own, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now, and it's driving me crazy, 'cause I'm needing my baby. I'm missing you now. Yeah. Can't wait another week, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now.
Thought I could live without you. Thought everything would be fine. I saw nothing special about you, but still you were plaguing my mind. I used to take you for granted. You were the last name in my life. Presently you're the most wanted at the top of my line. And it was yesterday I saw you down the lane. You were my best friend. Oh, I felt the pain. And now I'm falling in love all over again. Yeah. How could I ever doubt that you were mine? I'm falling in love all over again. Watch this. How could I ever doubt that you were mine?
Berries. Oh, say that big man don't cry. You never miss the one that till you well done dry. Would you find it in your heart to give me one more play? I won't abuse the situation. This time I won't lie. Harmonize the conversation. Also me lullaby. Fresh sweet orange juice. And me eggs well fried. Garments well clean. From me socks to me tie. She's a friend also a lover. That mean me not be shy. Be express myself straight up to the sky. You. Oh, say that big man don't cry. You never miss the water till you well run dry. Me say, oh, say that big man don't cry.
shiver. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu, it's all because of you. I feel it trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a shiver running up my spine. This hurting feeling, it hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. Oh, my bed, it is so cold. You got my happiness on hold. Oh, I feel a ton of joy and my heart gets warm, thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arms. But as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Yes, it's another sleepless night. Oh, the shiver, the shiver, the shiver, baby. I'm on a doctor's order.
God and more to me. But all that really matters is that you're my girlfriend. And baby, it's all that matters to me. Oh baby, let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Remember when I used to drive you home from work? Used to do a lot of things to make my feelings hurt. All my friends say I'm too young for you, but I can do the goddamn race can do. Oh babe, let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice.
Hey, me and my friends on the NZ, smoking Sensi, sipping on some NC.
Living up, living up, living up, living up.
Surrounded by fine ladies, dainty babies, rocking and jigging to songs of all ages.
Living up, living up, living up, living up.
To all of my jiggers and my MCs, honey, not the air if you love ladies. If you cash what you want, you want chichi. You're not in my category. Rolling my truck, buckle up. Girls pull me over, asking me what's up.
Living up, living up, living up, living up.
So we rolled along to Wendy's, parked her ride. She and her friends then stepped inside.
Living up, living up, living up, living up.
To all of my jiggers and my MCs, honey, not the air if you love ladies. If you cash what you want, you want chichi. You're not in my category. See, all of my jiggers and my MCs, honey, not the air if you love ladies. If you cash what you want, you want chichi. You're not in my
I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, cause your perfume isn't loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. Feel like velvet rubbing over my skin. And when your hair dances on my chin, wish we were alone, just the two of us. Yes, every move you make gives me a rush. Oh, oh. Wine some more, show me that love unconditionally. Make believe we're alone, just you and me. Ain't the problems, leave them behind. Don't let it show. Go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby, go. My dear Annie, I might have to say, so long, so long, so long, sorry it will now. But I won't waste no more time over you. Oh no, when with this life, I got better things to do. Oh, why should I
keeps avoiding me. Sorrow in my soul, cause it seems that wrong really loves my company. And I know that he knows I'm unfaithful, and it kills him inside to know that I'm happy with some other guy. Cause he and I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna hurt him anymore. I don't wanna be a murderer.
Yeah, girl, you not get the chance to break me heart 2 times and come love me. I really.
Yo, the car where you go on, you know.
I'm go on remix for it, yeah?
You see?
Yeah, what up?
Story of my life, searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me. Sorrow in my soul, cause it seems that wrong really loves my company. And I know that he knows I'm unfaithful, and it kills him inside to know that I'm happy with some other guy. Cause he and I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna hurt him anymore. I don't wanna be a murderer.
Yeah, girl, you not get the chance to break me heart 2 times and come love me. I really love you. God knows I'm in love you. Yeah, girl, you not get the chance to disrespect me 2 times. You not get the chance to commit the crime. I'm in love you. Me love you till me heart
No.
but I won't waste no more time over you. When will this life? I got better things to do. Oh, why should I waste precious time over you? You must just alone, please make sure you play with my heart anymore. Honey, but when we can't find your replacement, I know you hold on for this statement. You make me feel uncontent.
I don't wanna do this.
Girl, I tell you, you not get the time to break my heart 2 times. I'm going love you. I really love you. John was every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's a lie. So I can, no I can, no I can. Yes, you've been with me right through the rough, and you never said I had enough. So I can.
Yes, people inside the sound of DJ Chris Cross, a legend in the thing already, and I big up yourself, my little brother, yeah.
There are lots of signs in life, some that you may not like.
Hold on. One of my viewers said, Raga ask him if his mix is... wait, let me just did I read it? Something another entertainment. But just I read it, man. Yeah.
Nig like good, nig like good. My body good, me know me body good. Nig like good, nig like good. My body good, me know me body good. Make it up, look how me back it up, me wind it up, me rock it up, look how me catch and I sit up. Round a back, me lift it up like it's a car, get jack up, and make me body I get up like a balloon, a pump up. Lady inna the street, me no want see no bed. Wind up me body, them a call me sick egg. Me no boring, me no dead, me a old take a reg. Put me turn a bubble and a roll it like a train. I saw me go on, come me none of the man. So me sit down and just a wine for me song. Wine for the floor, get loud and along. Paddy. I saw me go on, come me none of the man. So me sit down and just a wine for me song. Wine for the floor, get loud and along. Paddy. Paddy side, catch funny side. Catch funny side. Me family and just a catch funny side. Catch funny.
I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully to the girl bikini. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, girl a wind up to me. Built up girl is man a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, man a bedroom bully. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully to the girl. Hey, wine and taco, girl wine and taco. Inna the dance hall, girl a wine and cock up. This one a thing I call your bone no cock up. Foot right there so lift it up and cock up. Baseline tell time when you tick and cock up. Style you no short and girl a dump you cock up. Love how you sexy, you round and fat up. Have your family base, girl, the whole place mash up. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, very girl, big with it. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, girl, a wind up in the bully. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, man, a bedroom bully. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, man, a bedroom bully. Girl, no friend, who are we a bust a sweat. Style where you give me step, me never get me yet. Me dead serious like a Russian roulette. Living room, bathroom, couch and buffet. And a bigger than back, come as to the things set. Tell you I'm the baby, come here, me little bit. Tip on your toe, pack it up and you them. Pack it up, girl, put cock up like Calvary. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl bikini. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, man, a bedroom bully.
And if you hear this on the go, bend your back, go bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Ready to please turn on the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Oh, you're so fat in your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss.
Make your post good and never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up, it's something fast. Fling out the sitting for me, bucky. Girl, I won't make you so bright. Original girl, some of them I did not have.
And if you hear this on the go, bend your back, go bend your knees.
Girl, you are the one.
Ready to please turn.
So you want to sturdy.
Please just rewind.
Feed it on the jerk.
Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Please just rewind. Shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, we know for tick, we know for top, yeah. Man, I watch my body like say they know watch a match, yeah. Anything you say, then girl, I do it like it's tax. But me want when I'm on it like the grassy movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, I get nasty. I do whatever I want, just like
Your body hot, so you want to sturdy man. Back it up, feed it on the journey long. Your body righting, your body righting. Oh, you're righting. You love it, me love it. You want my wifey. Set it up now. Come, girl. Take your time with the money, darling. Not at 6:30 because you're backing out, man. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for this, sit down for this.
So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in J.A. We can do it on that beach there.
Alright, I'm going to see what I go on. Yeah. One time, send her some tune.
Smell your perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, can't help but see the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't put into words how I feel. Twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me quite like you. Can't even deny it every time I try it. When I look in my eyes, you know I'm lying. Body to body, skin to skin. I'm never gon' love like this again. You made for me, just for me. That you made for me.
Girl, I want to be alone with you, just to see what you can do. Ooh, you're dancing all over me. Maybe this is like some kind of fantasy. The way you move, you're teasing, girl. So tonight, I want you in my world. Hey, walking down on my mind, see you in my dreams all the time. Ooh, baby girl, you're so fine, standing in front of me now. Will you whine
The time has come to show and prove. I've seen enough. I wanna feel the truth. Put your voodoo on me, babe. Kiss my lips and curse me, babe. Show me how you do your magic, babe. Lead me to your secret jungle, babe. Hey, walking girl on my mind, you in my dreams all the time. Ooh, baby girl, you're so fine, standing in front of me now. Will you whine for me? Whine for me. Whine for me. Whine for me. Will you whine for me? Whine for me. Whine for me. Whine for me. Will you whine for me? Whine for me. Slow whine for me. Whine for me. Will you whine for me? Whine for me. Slow whine for me. Good Jamaican queen. Oh, good Jamaican queen. Oh, I wanna feel. I wanna feel.
Just want to remind you about Ragash.
I wanna show you.
Ragabash. September the 20th at the Amazura. That's my birthday party. And of course, my little brother DJ Cris will be on the ones and the twos, the turntable, alongside Glamour Wayne and DJ Roy and Echo Vibe Sound with Jimmy Q and a whole bunch of other selectors. And we'll be having a wonderful time. And we just want to make sure say the item no say on have a day don't saying lock on the tickets and thing. If you want to buy a ticket for me directly, just send me a DM, send me a message. Ragashanti@gmail.com, Ragashanti@gmail.com, or just DM me right here at TikTok or on Instagram at Ragashanti and thing, and we just figure out how to get your tickets to you, okay? And regarding payment and so forth. But also want to remind you that tickets are here in New York City, in the Bronx, at People's Choice Furniture on Boston Road. People's Choice Furniture on Boston Road. Rockatoon Restaurant on the White Plains Avenue and thing, White Plains and thing. That's 218 on White Plains. Rockatoon Restaurant. That's up in the Bronx. In Mount Vernon, tickets are at Just Jerk Restaurant. Just Jerk Restaurant in Mount Vernon. In Queens, tickets are at VP Records on Jamaica Avenue, VP Records on Jamaica Avenue, and also at Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue. In Brooklyn, tickets are at Yard Style Restaurant at 105 and Flatlands. That's over on the East New York side. Yard Style Restaurant at 105 and Flatlands, and also at Topaz Restaurant. Topaz Restaurant. And of course, tickets are also available at eventbrite.com. Eventbrite.com. You just put in Ragabash and New York in the respective columns, and you could buy your tickets online for Ragabash, Ragashanti birthday party, Saturday, September 20th at the Amazura in Queens. DJ Cris, take it away with the tune. See?
You know I'm coming over, right? Tell me what you wanna do. Man, you got it out for me already, baby. Okay. Be there about, give me 10 minutes. Be ready. Hey, put that little thing out.
The cheapest ticket is $45. $45.
10 o'clock on the dot, I'm in my drop top, who's in the streets. Oh yeah, I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. Pull up, anticipated, good love, don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my hand in places I've never seen, girl, you know what I mean. Let me take you to a place nice and quiet.
Sakina, you can win a ticket in another show for your mom. You could win a ticket for your mom in another Ragashanti live. No worry yourself, big up yourself, cool.
See, I've been waiting for this for so long. Making love until the sun comes up. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and slow. Now here we are, driving around town, contemplating where I'm gonna lay it down. Girl, you got me saying, my, wish that I could pull over and get this thing started right now. I wanna do something freaky to you, babe. I don't think they heard me. I wanna do something freaky to you, babe. Call out my
tell me what you wanna do with me. Got another feeling like show to see. Every time that you roll with me, holding me, trying to keep control of me, nice and slow. You know, never letting go, never messing with the flow. So go take you to a place that's rest and quiet. There ain't no one better.
It's 2 a.m. just getting in, about to check my message. No one is called, but my phone and some bill collectors. Cellular brings somebody who wants to borrow money. I two-way her, she don't hit me back, something is funny. So I call her mother's house and asked her, had she seen my baby? Roll my six around, looking for that missing lady. Got back in, turned the TV on and caught the news. Then I put my hand on my head, cause I'm so confused. And then I turned the TV down, cause I thought I heard a squeaky sound. Something's going on upstairs, yeah, cause I know nobody else lives here. As I get closer to the stairways, all I hear, and then I hear my baby's voice in my ear, screaming out, "Your temptations, touch me, baby, give me what you got." Then a man said, "Sexy lady, drive me crazy, drive me wild." All I heard was my baby's voice. "Your temptations, touch me, baby, give me whatever." Sexy lady, drive me crazy, drive me wild. I just can't. It seems like just the other day that we hooked up. I was driving, was walking, and I hooked you up. From that moment on, I knew you were the one. I was single, you was lonely, and we fell in love. We would sit and talk for hours about anything. Baby, you hang up, no, you hang up, on 3 hang up. I bought you whip, I paid you, and I gave you everything. Said you'd always be my baby, then you mine. How you gonna love and leave me now? How you gonna act like that? How you gonna change it up? We just finished making up. How you gonna act like that?
You're listening to your girlfriend's favorite DJ, DJ Cris.
And you're out hanging with your friends, so you say. Somehow I know it's not quite that way. It's getting pretty late, and you haven't checked on me all day. When I called, you didn't answer. Now I'm feeling like you're ignoring me. I wish that you were home, holding me tight in your arms. And I wish I could go back to the day before we met and skip my regret. I wish I was in love with you, so you couldn't hurt me. It just ain't fair the way you treat me. No, you don't deserve me. Wasting my time thinking about you, and you ain't never gonna change. I wish I was in love with you.
Oh yeah, I've been trouble with my friends, trouble in my life, problems when you don't come home at night. But when you do, you always start a fight. But I can't be alone. I need you to come on. I know you're messing around, but who the hell else is gonna hold me down?
People, I just want to say a happy Bunonono Shabbat Day to a very, very special person, a person with an incredible personality and just like the kindest heart, the most sympathetic and empathetic, qualities and the way she relate to people and so forth, and always taking care of everybody else and thing. And I hope she take care of herself just as well as she takes care of others. I speak of none other than one Antarsha. That is what you know her here as and thing. And you don't know, say she is in the ANC, the Ansness crew and thing, and a TamFam extraordinaire for many years before I even know her and thing, She listen Ragashanti and she know the whole gamut of the evolution of TamFam experience and what I do and things like that. And it's just a joy to know her now personally because she's just an incredible woman, and it's one of those people when you know them, they enrich your life, It's like they're a plus to your life because you know them and things. So Antarsha wants to say, big up yourself on your Earth Strong, big up yourself on your band day, big up yourself on your Shabbat day. And I know Papa Anthony, is gonna make sure that you enjoy your day like he always does. I wish you all the best, Queen. You and your family and your little one and thing. And I hope you enjoy your day and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Happy birthday, Antarsha. Happy Bunononos Shabbat Day blessings, Antarsha. Bunononos Band Day blessings, Antarsha. Big up yourself. And just because of your birthday, we have to big up the Ants Nest crew. One Ants Nest crew. Just for today. Just a big up Ants Nest crew. Just for today. Just because of your birthday. All right? All right. So big up yourself. Yeah. Rinse. Everybody want to say happy birthday to Antarsha. So happy birthday to Antarsha. Just put at Antarsha. Happy birthday to her. I'm gonna take about 2 or 3 more songs before we make our exit, okay? 3 more.
Lately you've been questioning
Murder.
if I still see you the same way. Cause through these trying years we gonna both physically change now. Don't you know you'll always be the most beautiful woman I know. So let me reassure you, darling, that my feelings are truly unconditional. See, I'll love you when your hair turns gray, girl. I still want you if you gain a little weight. Yeah, the way I feel for you will always be the same, just as long as your love don't change. No, I was meant for you, you were meant for me. Yeah, and I'll make sure that I'll be everything you need. Yeah, girl, the way we are is how it's gonna be, just as long as your love don't change. Cause I'm not impressed, more or less, by the girls on the TV and magazines. Cause honestly, I believe that your beauty is way more than skin and deep. Everything about you makes me feel like having the greatest gift in the world. And even when you get on my last nerve, I couldn't see myself being with another girl. I love you when your hair turns red, yeah. I still want you if you gain a little weight, yeah. The way I feel for you will always be the same, just as long as your love don't change. Just as long as your love.
There's a time when the tears should fill your eyes, and you can't see past the shadows to the sun on the other side. Don't despair, because there always will be someone there. Don't it's never gonna end. But you'll get through it. Just don't give in, 'cause you can. When you are weak,
How many know this have a draft? How many know this have a draft? I swear to you, I know that this have a draft for closing. Cause you know that this man
you
you
know.
got tell us if it draft. You see?
No, man.
You see?
and I never thought I'd feel this way.
All TamFamers, hold that big up
And
here.
as far as I'm concerned,
Man, dedicate that one to
glad
you.
I got the chance to say
All TamFamers out there.
that I
right there.
do believe I love
That one I dedicated to you.
and if I should ever go away.
And for all who celebrate the Independence Day in America, you know, it's tomorrow for one day, 4th of July. Big up on yourself, see? All right? Turn it up. Turn it up. Sing.
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for.
Oh, good time.
For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so, by the way, I thank you. Oh, and then for the times when we were apart. Well, then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, oh, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for.
So yes, sir, Raga. If the vibes are there, all the party vibes tomorrow. Check
Tomorrow,
it, you know,
4th of July, tomorrow.
Yeah, you know.
You remember tomorrow holiday, you know?
Yeah.
All right, if we're going to do this tomorrow,
I talk about a night part.
about what time?
Oh, yeah, 30. Oh,
All right, then.
what's that for now? I could see it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a link. Just let me know. If anything, we just start up a live from earlier. If I have the time, and just go on all our vibes.
Yeah, all right then. Tentatively, yeah, all right. And it's going to be, yeah, a Ragabash pre-party.
Right.
All right. Blessings and thing. All right. Take off the music in our background because even that the algo pick up when that thing like that.
Yeah,
okay, so if you're watching the broadcast now from on YouTube, you would not have heard all of the music that just played. But again, just want to remind you that music will be put together with all of the other music that Cross played in this broadcast, and I'll put that separate on YouTube from the show that you'll be seeing here.
Them want know when me used to hold the man them bashman something. No girl want know about me not tell them. Man them, well, only mama no loss of me. You like a people this to me. Peter want to offer me. Cause you wanna not do nothing I want for them. Only mama no loss of me. You like a people this to me. Peter want to offer me. Cause you wanna not do nothing I want for them. But them party at them hard y'all fi who. And none of them not ready for the bashman crew. Me a say all some of them want grow. No man not feature for them avenue.
Them miss the day and them if you're living in style. If you're gonna grill, go chill out for your while. To your looks already make a girl blood that while. At the artist can't spoil, smile. Me miss the day and them if you're living in style. If you're gonna grill, go chill out for your while. To your looks already make a girl blood that while. At the artist can't spoil, smile. Goody, ready at girl me seek. Angel face and the billboard physique. Shape on your chest, girl, and that have no weak.
How I get the bag of dirty clothes them fi wash. How I get done and still a give a dash. Then how the man a bring a sun splash. Me ask, who I get the money? How I get the props? How I get the bag of dirty clothes them fi wash. How I get done and still a give a dash. Then how the man a bring a sun.
Some girl got to all them attack you a rainbow, rainbow. Some of them attack you a rainbow, rainbow. And them a wonder how them rose up stony and them life so lonely. And them wanna look good girl. Them a muggle pants in their only and them can't get Tony. Oh yeah, I wonder how them rose up stony and them life so lonely. And them wanna look good girl. Them a muggle pants in their only and them can't get Tony. Oh yeah.
Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na.
One of my favorite.
Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. It's all about me and the big fat sister now me. The two of them say them know me, but them argument show me. The boy they name grow me and the worrying sister now me. The two of them say them know me, and them argument show me. Welcome the girls, them sugar. The girl, them ladies, nigga, yeah. Welcome the girl, them sugar. The girl, them ladies, nigga, yeah. Welcome the girls, them sugar. The girl, them ladies, nigga, yeah. Welcome the girls, them sugar. The girl, them ladies, nigga.
Y'all are carrying them all over the ocean with no feelings and emotion, yeah. Y'all are carrying your leaks and Brixton all over in the Birmingham, yeah. Y'all are carrying your New York and Japan, send them on them Jamaican, yeah. Y'all are carrying your Canada,
That make the woman excited, like a women is excited, X-rated. Make the girl them haunted. Woman must say, oh, say that woman can't done. Tell them say the woman don't come to done. Oh, say that woman can't done. Tell them say the woman can't done. And so one wash, then you turn it down, girl. Woman they put the next man welcome. And so one wash, then you turn it down, girl. Woman they put the next man welcome.
When I'm up, see the road you do. Let them know what can they because them not pay. It's like Debbie Bird. Time to all you, sit down, be f***ing up the name. Time to all you, sit down, be bumping up the name. Money in the hand, be bore you. Walk up your hand before you open up you. Who can see you? You run, it's free to be. Who mean to you? You tell the run out to me. Put on the foot, you're not silly. Get up, yes.
If a man wants to make him pay down for the man wants to make him pay down. If a man wants to make him pay down for the man wants to make him pay down.
Who is it up? Come see me now, man. Oh, me and a she has the gun in the back of the beach. What the who is it up? Come see me now, man.
Matt see, big up yourself in a Plainview Hospital. Big up on yourself, Plainview Hospital. Long Island, large up on yourself. Milo, big up yourself in a love and blessings. I'm a TamFam ladies, then big up on yourself. Tony of Grass.
Oh, the girl a walking man. Oh, the girl a walking pussy. She no have walk, I don't shoot me.
I just say Coca-Cola pack shape by it on the place. Broke out, girl, you have the shape. Coca-Cola pack shape by it on the place. Skin out, girl, you have the shape in the place. Uptown girl, have the shape in the place. Downtown girl, have the shape in the place. London girl, have the shape in the place.
All the matter girl make them fret. I don't know you why your man not left. You have big choice, big first choice. Your bunch of coke, girl, you want it. Why? You want it, why? My first choice. You wear the ring. You want get everything.
Sometimes I wonder how I never make it to this world that have a new. I just don't have a clue. And sometimes it seems that this world closing in with me.
September 20th, Amazura Queens. DJ Cris, Glamour Wheel, DJ Roy.
Sometimes I wanna give you, I wanna give you, I wanna quit the fight. And then I see you, baby, and everything's alright, and everything's alright. When I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh, you know I can do anything. When I see you smile, I see your rings of life. Oh, I see you shining like truth right now.
Nigga like good, nigga like good. My body good, me know me body good. Nigga like good, nigga like good. My body good, me know me body good. Back it up, look how me back it up, me wind it up, me rock it up, look how me catch and I sit up.
Phone and chip out. You talk about our internet not good, our internet good over here. Yeah. Verizon set up web over here and whatever. I hear phone, I hear internet now going good. And the Wi-Fi where you borrow now work good. You're back. Turn me up no Cris.
Oh, we are, you know.
Oh, you're
getting fat, you know.
Are you ready?
We are ready to rock, ready to roll. On the floor, I've been screaming and crying and begging for more. When we fling it up from the left, yeah, fling it up from the right. We know we fling it up, but we know how we fling it up, yeah. We know we ice it up from the left, yeah, ice it up from the right. We know we ice it up, we know how we ice it up, yeah.
Send the marvelous and come send the champion and come. Make them know say till I'm all in the doctor and go down. Who can sell it better run? Now no time to give me bone. It's love when you book this low deep magnum. What? The girl them a rock because them love how me say. Take a president come fit them highway. In a me mansion them not complain. But I want thing me can be said. You know boom. Woman think me much up and swear to the jump. The girl under me crackers ice as on me come. They put me to the test and swear me a go plumb. I get me want to get your in on me bum. Make you wine baby one same time me a pump. The bubble get me a go head you over the hump. The whole sugar cane girl sweeter than the bum. A 500 what me a jump. Tell the market of them come. Tell the champion them come. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Hey, Simsima, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girl them sugar. How can I make love to a fella in a rush? Pass me the keys to my truck. Who am I? The girls them lock. And I, we make love to the love.
Garble himself in person. Mr. My Fonson. Hey, over me, out and run enough gyal and mad over me. Out and run enough gyal and dead over me. Out and run enough gyal and cry over me. Lad, me baby mother say me bad, me too 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 bad. How much can I loan me and loan one have? Next one you put the same thing in a bag, but you sweet and much you need and much you know how to do it. Ever do a job and left it incomplete, but you want time there your girl spread out like shit. Vital is vital, so I full concrete. Over me, out and run off, y'all mad over me. Out and run off, y'all die over me. Out and run off, y'all die over me. Lad, me baby.
Work every day till we dance. I turn it up on the weekends. Bust a toast to your real friend. Then know you're drinking car.
Billy, darling, big up yourself.
Good time, eh? Good time, eh?
Mark this,
good time, eh?
Me's a girl with a fight over man. From when they come in and just some of the time. This a girl of the one game one. After that him done. Just like a girl a figure share her man.
Girl, if you want me,
She have to get with the program. She have to share her man.
sharing is caring is caring. Continental girl, I take step one more.
A Ragabash, you know them vibes, you're gonna do a Ragabash. September 20th, Amazora, make sure so you forward.
Me's a girl with a fight over man. From when they come in and just some of the time. This a girl of the one game one. After that him done. Just like a girl a figure share her man.
Girl, if you want me,
She have to get with the program. She have to share her man.
sharing is caring is caring. Continental girl, I take step one. Me for themselves forever accept. Man, I lose can I me never accept. When we aim for fire, me target in excess. Yes, me do them beat down relentless. Rotation always in full effect. That's when one a upright, me step left. We let the next can be there. Girl, if you want me, then you can have me. Sharing is necessary, so you got to share me.
Fit in other shots, they use a Google app. Probably have to have Wi-Fi physically. Take a jolly probably show me where the wall up. Put your body show me where you're made.
They all walk like a champion, act like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me when you get it on. Girl, jump up to this, non-stop giant kiss. I don't waste mercy. What's the name of one?
Pull it up.
Fit in other shots, they use a
People, I'm telling us that DJ Chris Cross is one of the wickedest thing out there. I want to know and the hype me a hype. And the hype me a hype. Hear the evidence. I one of the wickedest mixer out there. Me I tell her right, you know. Not because I'm a G, not because I'm a little brother and thing. I'm good like that. Them man on a shot I work all over the world cause when people hear him play him wicked. Now you don't know. September 20th, Ragabash now good again. When the little brother right, yes, so DJ Chris Cross I bring them same vibes, yeah. Rinse it, Cross.
Girl, jump up to this, non-stop giant kiss. I don't waste mercy. What's the name of one?
Fit in other shots, they use a Google app. Probably have to have Wi-Fi physically. Take a jolly probably show me where the wall up. Put your body show me where you're made.
They all walk like a champion, act like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me when you get it from. Not find no entrance, ram pa 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 pa. Y'all let me and me think when you are paying. Walk like a champion, act like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, how you get it from. Not find no entrance, ram pa 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 pa. Y'all let me in.
The bike you lead, you got the body girl. See the bike girl, you got the body girl. Instagram, me know say you got the girl. You have the big bike, hot shot in a girl. Me love it like that when you get on the bike up. Me love it like that when you get on the bike up. You dilly like so and the middle like that. You dilly like so and the middle like that. And me love it like that when you get on the bike up. And me love it like that when you get on the bike up. And me love it like that when you get on the bike up. And me love it like that when you get on the bike up. It is a beautiful sight, I'm a love to watch. To see the young girl on the bike back. It is a beautiful sight, I'm a love to watch. Watch the girl them on the bike back. Bike back, girl pick it. Now if a girl knows that she don't have to pose for bike back. You see the big bum girl them? Come up on that. It is a beautiful sight, I'm a love to watch. To see the young girl on the bike back. It is a beautiful sight, I'm a love to watch. What the girl them on the bike back. Bike back,
girl picking on the bike. Bike back, girl picking on the bike. Bike back, a couple boy when you jump on the bike back. And you take man, you know happiness is a time. You know, and for the guy, the girl must have something. You don't tell them off of no. Hey, they need your life, boom, they need your life. Oh,
tight and good, the big life, boom, the big life.
Tight and good.
Make it up, look how me back it up, me rock it up, look how me catch and I sit up. Round a back, me lift it up like it's a car, get jack up and make your Kia get up like a balloon a pump.
She get materialized, Joe, don't make she feel good. She didn't Jamaica and they are out the legal life, on the legal life. Oh, tight and good, tight and good.
Me ball boy, when me back it up again, you give me hot and then you pop it again, then you make me ball boy. When you lick up the pressure for me, and for me, when you know me, you were telling me where with the tsunami. Give me the pressure when you want beg well it's on me, for me.
Tell her you want one, she don't want it, she don't want it. You have some girls that possess. Don't speak this day, come on Sunday, that's right now, where just come and get me. And you don't take a man, you know what happiness is a time. You know, and from the guy, the girl must have something. You don't tell them off of no. Hey, they need your life, they need your life. Oh,
tight and good, the big life, boom, the big life.
Tight and good.
Make it up, look how me back it up, me rock it up, look how me catch and I sit up. Round a back, me lift it up like it's a car, get jack up and make your Kia get up like a balloon a pump.
She get materialized, Joe, don't make she feel good. She didn't Jamaica and they are out the legal life, on the legal life. Oh, tight and good, tight and good.
Me ball boy, when me back it up again, you give me hot and then you pop it again, then you make me ball boy. When you lick up the pressure for me, and for me, when you know me, you were telling me where with the tsunami. Give me the pressure when you want beg well it's on me, for me.
Tell her you want one, she don't want it, he don't cost enough for your throne.
It's a very large one. Just oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Welcome the girls them sugar, the girls them ladies nigga yeah. Welcome the girls them sugar.
Girl, you better come, bubble and the one broke. Put on buck, come up, me never say you can't stop me.
Sing it. Give me the girl and the wickedest love. Because the girl don't feel up punchy man. Man, if you want to get the medal, you have to get a slum from a real good girl again.
Give me one from your girl. Wind up your body from me, man. Wind up your time, long thing, but not man.
Look at the girl over there, so me da kill it. Other girl looks around her, da kill it. Watch a girl around there, so me da kill it. And I try to kill it.
Look at the neck, him off it, come on. Tell her you want one, she don't want it, cause send her for your throne. Tell you pretty, send a picture to me phone. Bubble pan it, we say you me love it when you moan. If your man, he dead, kicking with a stone. If you feel she be a travel with a comb. She be killer when, tell her like a phone. Hand up in your pretty little, see where you're
Pop it off your against wall. We sex them out till them call me. And the girls them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall.
Cock it up and the young heart up. Come run for your run.
An Blenda, bad for this man. Man a hustler, he's dead. Any man in the street, man hustle every day. Man have a burn and I have a pre-K. Do the maths, Asian brain, single player.
You are high class, me not time for you. Hold up, me not time for you. Crossy, me not time for you. Me not time for you. Chill time, that's a waste time. Mind for money, money for mine. This shall let me free the dollar sign. This shall let me.
We are popping money hard, we go down and drive. We are people. Popping money hard, we go down and drive. We are walking good to hard and I just pop the line.
I feel I want to them tidy. Oh, them man live so dirty and the man after the tension. Must be no one again. Oh, you know me again. I feel how I do them Friday. Oh, them man live so dirty and the man no Friday. Oh, you want the better make a man a tidy. Reggae from your gun over the side. Follow DJ white man and fly with. How I do them. Oh, you feel no one day and them a bimbe. Listen to me Kingsley and you better comprehend. Where the damn pass Wednesday. We don't want to see you and your friend. Yeah, but like the people do it. Oh, the party you was silent on a Tuesday. Now go to shoot and you make none of the moves. Can't have the place to be a Tuesday. If you are refused, listen me no humble. You know what not and you must want to be a humble. Don't go violence or go uptown Monday. And you see friendly Saturday Sunday. You know good when you know fun. Take when you stop, take when you stop. Y'all ain't some clean like the bill of head. You like a risk them ready for glory. You know what? Think of me ever lean, me ever clean, me ever. Want me to be seen, me ever in a way you in a. Me ever care, you see a Gucci in a. Me ever care, you see a Louis D them ya. Me ever care, they keep them where we die. Me ever care, me never in a way you in a. Me ever care, you know me don't see a go on a. Me ever care, white guys for me in a. Me ever care, they keep them where we die. Me ever care, me never care. Me nah go separate my from my no. If you're this bad man, you belong to run, yeah. If your life was scratch away, your life bad man be fun. If you're this, you better run. Your bad man literally sleep with it. You go and run with it and representing into the heart. Represent to the world with all these girls. Chopper, girl send text and them want flex included. Zero Friday, Stewart's make y'all press flex and connect. Tell me that she want a next. She rate with so much I only 5 ton text. Yo, them want rolling man, them not care about. Y'all from the area and y'all from Montpellier. Skin catch a fire when them see me on the telly. Y'all a call my phone and say them want me see it at my yard. Click my finger, girl on the roll with me, yeah. So them on the stroll with me, girl from all over the world in all the West Indies, yeah. So them fall in love with me, and click my finger, girl on the roll with me, yeah. So them on the stroll with me, girl from all over the world in all the West Indies. We not frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody, and we better than everybody. So me we run where anybody. No boy no better than we. No boy no better than we. Them man me can and say, them no better stand and say. And I'm a girl I'm talking. Do something, do something, do something, do something, do something.
But riding through. Sometimes I back and some of them are rally back. We a road boy, you tell me not take back no chat. Sometimes I back and some of them are rally back, but we a road boy, you tell me not take back no chat. You full of big chat and can't defend that. If a jailhouse you come from, we sending you go back. You full of big chat and can't defend that. If a Bellevue you come from, we sending you go back. When them there when they get around hot, when we look in the food for the pot. Man of him 16 over him back. 45 and we have a ramp pack. Bazooka and all the big locker. When we move on back. And when we take a couple store, couple bank and shop. And policeman a top out with hotter. Cha-cha know we have to run left the spot. Dan the yard, dog at the data. When we come dance all of the block. We say some a rally back and some of them dance back. We a road boy, you know we not left the block. And some a rally back and some of them dance back. When they kill it on the place of the block. When them tell when Kingston run hard.
We shall have the boom. From a gal who can pick up. I wish gal that jump and I say she not us. I can know what that one the cut. Yeah, I wish gal that hold the book. From a gal who can pick up. I wish gal that jump and I say she not us. I can know what that one the cut. So what you do? Give them the dance, bust the dance. Give them the dance, bust the the dance, give them the dance, bust the dance, give them the. From you I'm gonna pass the whole can I get up? Let me get up for all the hot crew. All the contraband them up and beat them up too. Passy, you know what you can do. So from you I'm gonna pass the whole can I get up? Let me get up for all the hot crew. All the contraband them up and beat them up too. Passy, you know what you can do.
Listen, Keely. Yeah, if you don't make money, then you don't make sense. Pounds and US, no pence. Spend a couple G's, but my money tall like cheese. Rims them chrome on the Benz. When me say, box of money, box of money. Julia, with the white stacks of money. You see me not it all, you know me lots of money. You train on me tracks of money. You forget the youth, box of money, box of money. Yeah, every year, all me pay my tax of money. Yes, some are cream, some are stacks of money. And after me have stacks of money.
Like A-O-A-O-O-O-A A-A-O-A-O-O-A Sirs, you see that? Check where your girl called in the other man for the RR bike. Me a dealing with a girl at the singing at the land. Never they give me a medal. Two brown girls.
Cris Cross and scrap your corner. Just take the mark.
Bong slow, people, alright. Let go music because, you know, in that background, and thing like. So, Cris, take it to them, the papa.
Like a 5.
I lie.
I can't wait to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
Ball it out in your go. Ready and hot. Ball it out and you know strip girl.
I can't wait to fly. I feel that I'm alive.
Well, the TamFam ladies, them, they walk out right, you know.
When you look at me,
what's your levels, Cris?
I can touch the sky. I know that I'm alive.
Ladies, mums no Cris. Ladies, if you know what's a chick, I know in your foot. If you know what's a chick, I know there between your two of them. Walk out right now and make people see say you're good. Step out on your ground.
When you glance the day, just drift away. All my worries die. I'm glad that I'm alive. You set my heart on fire.
Well, bong slow, Cris, bong slow. Zion King Stewart, wagwan. You good? Go eat some food, man. Daddy, I finished right here now, auntie. You should have gone on your bed in a youth. All right, turn it up.
My spirit tastes like high, 'cause I'm alive. Oh, when you come on me, when I hear you breathe, I get like I feel that I'm alive. I am alive. I need it, my heart's on fire.
I like Cris, I saw you, one.
You know them style I party different.
You come to me, give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises and a world of dreams. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. It can't be
them tune, yeah.
You do something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Everything of my heart, we got something going on.
Hey, Cris, don't cut that song here, make it play, make it play, make it play.
Tender love is blind, it requires a dedication. All this love we feel needs no conversation. We ride it together, making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another.
I can't live without you if the love was strong. Everything is nothing if you got no way. You can walk in the night, slowly losing sight of the real thing.
The guy's searching, Cris, the guy's searching.
But that won't happen to us, and we got no doubt. Too deep in love, and we got no way out. And the message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing. No more will you cry. Maybe I will hurt you never. We stand in as one. In love forever, we can ride it together. Making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. So I'd like to know when you got the notion. Said I'd like to know when you got the notion. Rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat, I don't tip the boat over. Rock the boat, I don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Ever since our voyage left began,
And them vibes that play a Ragabash, you know?
thrilled me like the rush of the wind, and your heart that held me safe from a rolling sea. There's always been a quiet place to harbor you and me. Our love is like the ship on the ocean. We've been sailing with a cargo full of love and devotion. So I'd like to know when you got the notion. Said I'd like to know when you got the notion. Rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat, don't tip the boat over. Rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat.
My life was just a lonely room with no one to take away my gloom. Waiting for someone to come and fill my life with love, full sweet love.
Set my heart on fire.
And set my heart on fire, fire. Burning up, flame of love. Higher, higher. Never I need someone to tell me water, water. Gotta be strong. Ooh, I need somebody to throw me in the
And again, people, at them vibes, they will have a Ragabash, you know. At them vibes, I run a Ragabash. See them so. See them so.
I know a place. Ain't no
Somebody named Miss Babe said, no man, but that DJ I look too young for know them tune yeah. Poor she, don't. You hear that? Tell us say you hear that from Dying Kingdom come.
Yeah, they are knee, man.
From yeah, they name I hear that every time him play. You think you hear nothing yet if you hear when him play at all this party and thing.
In fact, we have a whole this party come up this Sunday at Queens.
At Queens?
Springfield.
I lie.
Raytown Sundays.
For real?
Yeah, man.
This Sunday?
Go to me, yeah. In fact, Raga, pull up. Make a whole of vibes. Because I know you love them energy there.
Yeah, what
If you're free up that night there, come spend a 2 hours.
No, man.
And it's early too. It's going to be like 6 p.m. to about 2 a.m.
6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Which part? Which part, Itaki?
Springfield. One place named C. Nixon. Let me see if I can remember the address. 11250 Springfield Boulevard.
Well, let me tell you something. Well, I'm going to get a surprise because Ragashanti will be there this Sunday.
All right, that you did.
All right, Ragashanti will be there this
Raytown vibes,
Sunday.
man. Strictly big people music.
No, Miss Babe, I said about the selection, them older than him. Me say you not hear nothing yet. You think say them that tune, man. Me I tell you, man, when them man play a oldest party, genuine oldest party and thing. And but me tell you something, now people from Mellow Canary crew and them people rate this a boy. Then the same thing me they said to him 2 years ago when him did just start. I said, oh, you know them a tune and whatever. And him tell me, say, so my family them and grew up with whatever, this and that. But he know he tune them, man. All right, go and play a tune, Cris. Go and play.
I'll take you there. Like it's amazing. I'll take you there.
No, sir. Watch out now.
I'm so in love with you.
Turn it up, Cris. Turn it up. Bring it up. Bring up the gear. Look at
you want to do.
Right there, sir.
It's alright with me. 'Cause you make me feel so brand new. And I want to spend my life with you. And they say, sing, baby, since we've been together. Ooh, loving you forever is what I need. Let me be the one you come running to. I'll never be untrue. Oh, baby, let's stay together, loving you weather, times are good and bad, happy or sad. Whoa, whoa.
don't need no company. No other man, no other girl can enter into our world. Not as long as you prove, baby. Oh, come on, make me feel good inside. Come on, groove me, baby. Move, baby. It's my house and I live here. It's my house and I live here. There's a welcome mat at the door, and if you come on in, you're gonna get much more.
Missing at them vibes that will play a Ragabash. These are them vibes that you talk about, some mellow vibes. You talk about yesterday, who know them party they from Jamaica, mellow vibes. Yesterday, yeah, at them vibes that will play a Ragabash. And that's something, yeah. Right? So who don't know our age group and thing and whatever. Enough young people love it too, but them probably don't know them look of energy and thing. But that energy I play a Ragabash. So we just want to come on, come enjoy that same something here. Take it away, DJ Cris. Turn it up.
It's my house and I live here. It's my house and I live here. There's a candle to light the stairs, where my dreams await someone to share. Ooh, there's music on the radio, and good vibrations won't let me go. I put my name on the ceiling above, 'cause it was good for love. It was good for
Good times.
when you love someone, it's natural, not demanding. And that's one thing I'm proud to say I found in you. I'm so glad we reached an understanding. Now I know my heart is safe with you. Ooh. So now my love to you, baby, I surrender.
Get ready.
It's fate tonight. Gonna make this a night to remember. Get ready, tonight.
So Miss B, if you come to party, man, if you come to party. And again, people, in case you never make it clear and thing, at my party, Ragabash, at them music I will play. In fact, Cris, I want you play that mix, yeah, you know, something similar like this at the party. You hear me, I say? But yeah,
I got you, bro.
Yeah, it's like a 80s, 90s thing, you know. That's where the emphasis there, my party, them and thing. And it's jiggy and nice, right? So Miss B, you say, boy, sometimes when you see young people, you know, really go them party because you know, really like their music and things. So, I introduce you to DJ Cris. You know what type of music me want at my party, so them something, you know. 90s and, you know, what we used to call disco music in our what we used to call disco music in our time, but it's the type of music we play mellow vibes and good times and yesterday and thing and to be frank, it's a type of music that you know, the party man Sir Kurt Riley is known for, and Colin Hines and
word.
you know, Mixmaster Marvin and them people. You know, the fame, you know, the original fame party, them and the vibe there and thing, you know.
R.I.P. Arif.
Yeah, man. Arif Cooper, big up yourself. R.I.P. my brother, R.I.P. And thing, Footloose and thing, yeah. Had a vibe there and thing. And then 90s dancehall and, you know, we are talking about Berries, we are talking about Sanchez. and throwing some soul, but we attack soul like Tony Braxton, of course, Selena, God in Jamaica when it comes to PR music, them Whitney and them vibes, the Monica and all them things, they with the huge and energy will accompany them music there. That is the vibes that prevail at a Ragabash and things, so I invite you all to come out Saturday, September 20th for it and thing, and it will be epic indeed, it will be, all right? We're going to go here now in the 90 and thing and whatever. And
one more rag and then
yeah.
order.
All right then. Send it on.
Happened so naturally, didn't I know it was love? The next thing I felt was you holding me close. What was I gonna do? I let myself go, and now we fly through the stars. I hope this night will last forever. I've been waiting for you. It's been so long. I knew just what I would do when I heard your song. Fill my heart with bliss, gave me freedom. You knew I could not resist. I needed someone. Now we're flying through the stars. I hope this night lasts forever. Ain't nobody, loves me better, makes me happy, makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody, loves me better. I wait for nighttime to bring to me. Can't believe I'm the one. I was so lonely. I feel like no one to do. I must be dreaming.
Raga, you enjoy yourself, man. Too much.
I'm going to tell you, no.
And God in our sword.
Man, I tell you, man, you know, but you see, them things, yeah. Okay, before we, you know, whatever.